on that box. Nominalization is the process of changing a verb, an adjective, or a clause into a noun or a noun phrase. So basically, either if it is a verb or it is an adjective or it is a clause, in all these cases, the conversion of that word is into a noun, clear, or a noun phrase. That means a noun phrase will be having a noun, clear? So this is called nominalization, clear? It will be more clear when we take up the examples. Now let us understand nominalization through some more examples. How life was created is still a scientific puzzle. Now this is a sentence. Now see, created. We have turned it into a noun, into an abstract noun by turning it into creation. Yeah, created का जो next noun form होगा creation होगा. So now you will form a sentence using this word and without changing the meaning of the sentence. So it will be the creation of life is still a scientific puzzle. So did you get that? Next is the verb was created becomes noun creation. Clear? Now see here, low pressure indicates an approaching storm. Now indicates has been changed, and to make it into a noun, either it could be indication or indicator. Clear? Let's see, they have used both the words. Low pressure is an indicator of an approaching storm, or you can also write low pressure is an indication of an approaching storm. Clear? The word indicates becomes the noun's indicator or indication. Clear? Next, nouns from adjectives. Now there are certain adjectives given here which will be again converted into noun and it will be called nominalization. Let's see. Adjectives can be easily nominalized. For example, we should help poor people whenever we can. What kind of people? Poor people. So it's acting as an adjective. Now see how it has been done. We should help the poor whenever we can. Now here the poor has turned into a noun. Clear? Next. Bhishma was a loyal and prudent son. Now let us change it. Bhishma was a son who was known for his loyalty and prudence. Did you get it? So loyal has changed into loyalty. Prudent has changed into prudence. Okay? Now nouns from verbs. There could be certain verbs which on nominalization will be changed into a noun. Let's see them. She went walking in the evening. Now walking is a verb. Let's see. She went for a walk in the evening. Now a walk is again a noun. Got it? Next, why should one use a calculator? What is the use of a calculator? So these are the some ways. Now realized has been changed into realization. Investigate has been changed into an investigation. Yeah. Now let us see, there are certain words in the table which exhibit some verbs and their nominalization. Accept will be changed into acceptance. Amplify, amplification. Analysis, analyze will change into analysis. Believe will change into belief. Compare, comparison. Conclude, conclusion. Develop, development. Estimate, estimation. Fail, failure. Grow, growth. Hate, hatred. Indicate, indicator or indication. Okay? Mock, mockery. Promote, promotion. React, reaction. Refuse, refusal. State, statement. Suggest, suggestion. Verbalize, verbalization. Withdraw, withdrawal. Okay? Now we come on to the first exercise. Number 1A. The player refused to answer the captain. This created a furor in the dressing room. Now, B, read out the whole sentence. The Very good. The player's refusal, refusal, to answer the captain created a furor in the dressing room. Number 2, Ritu hates garden pests, hence she does not have a garden. B, Ritu's hatred, Hatred. Ritu's hatred of garden pests has kept her without a garden. Number 3, Mohit is more successful than Sunil. This is understandable because he works harder than him. Answer, Mohit's, a little word. Mohit's greater success is understandable. Put a tick mark on this sentence, this you'll do. Mohit's greater success is understandable because he works harder than Sunil. Number 4, A, the population grows fast in cities. Cities provide better employment opportunities. Answer, the population growth, growth, in cities is due to better employment opportunities found there. So till now in exercise A, only 3 you will do. Next, number 5, we need to amplify sound in large auditoriums. This improves the audience's response. Answer, the amplification, AMPLIFACATION. I repeat again, AMPLIFICATION. The amplification of sound in large auditoriums leads to an improvement in the audience's response. Number 6, the country's economy has slowed down. I presume bank interest rates will fall. My presumption, PRESUMPTION, my presumption that bank interest rates will fall is based on the slowdown of the country's economy. Slowdown. First blank is presumption, second blank is slowdown. Number 7, the minister has accepted bribes. This has shocked the nation. The minister's acceptance, ACCEPTANCE, the minister's acceptance of bribes, BRIBES, has shocked the nation. Number 8, Rinky insisted that I stay back for dinner. I arrived home late. Answer, I arrived home late because of Rinky's insistence that I stay back for dinner. Insistence, INSISTENCE, insistence that I stay back for dinner. Put a tick mark on this. Number 9, Lena has improved in English. Her mother is happy. Answer, Lena's mother is happy that Lena's English. Yes, child?
No, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. Lena's mother is happy at Lena's improvement in English. IMPROVEMENT. Number 10, Sita recognized the thief. This got her involved in the case. Answer, Sita's.
Environment evaluation.
Recognition, Sita's recognition, RECOGNITION, recognition of the thief got her involved in the case. Got her involved in the case. Put a tick mark on 10. So till now, you'll do that blue box giving the definition of nominalization. Then A exercise, number 3, number 8, and number 10. Clear till here? Coming to B exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by nominalizing the appropriate adjectives. I read out the sentence first and then I tell you the answer. The scene was so beautiful that it took her breath away. Come on, yes. The beauty of the scene, the beauty of the scene took her breath away. The beauty of the scene took her breath away. Number 2, they measured how wide the road was. Yes. They measured the width, WIDTH. They measured the width, WIDTH, of the road. Number 3, his careless driving caused a terrible accident. Yes. Very good. His carelessness in driving, just in is to be added, in driving caused a terrible accident. Number 4, the difficult nature of the task led to his giving up. Yes. Very good. The difficulty of the task led to his giving up. B, do the first one and the fourth one. Led to his giving up. Coming to C.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third one?
It's recorded, child. Combine the following sentences by nominalizing the appropriate adjectives. Number 1, my sister was cheerful. This made me forget all my troubles. Answer, my sister's cheerfulness made me forget all my troubles. My sister's cheerfulness made me forget all my troubles. Number 2, the building's foundation was strong. This stopped it from collapsing during the earthquake. Yes. Very good. The strength of the building's foundation, buildings with an apostrophe S, the strength of the building's foundations stopped it from collapsing during the earthquake. I repeat, the strength of the building's foundations stopped it from collapsing during the earthquake. Last, the bag was heavy. It slowed down Ramu's pace. The heaviness of the bag, the heaviness, HEAVINESS, the heaviness of the bag slowed down Ramu's pace. Now, see exercise. Any one of your choice. 1, 2, 3 में से any. Okay? Any one of your choice. That's it. Look at them. They are calling me in between and now they've thrown me out. Who pushes me out of the class? How dare you? Why did you push me out of the class?